In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Priority Inbox in Gmail. Getting organized is a major key to managing your emails effectively, and the Priority Inbox feature in Gmail can help you do just that. It's designed to keep the emails most important to you right at the top. So let's walk through the process to set it up. First things first, go ahead and open your Gmail account. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar Gmail interface. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon, often referred to as the settings button. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once the drop down menu appears, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page full of different tabs and options. Don't worry, this is simpler than it looks. Our focus today is on the Inbox tab, so look across the top of the page and click on it. This will bring you to the specific settings for how your emails are displayed. Now that you're on the right tab, you'll notice an option labeled Inbox Type. Here's where the magic happens. Click on this to see a list of inbox types and select Priority Inbox. This setting will reorganize your inbox to help you focus on what matters most. After choosing Priority Inbox, you have the option to customize it just the way you like. Click on Customize and you'll be able to adjust the sections and decide which types of emails appear at the top. For example, you can set unread emails to appear first, followed by starred emails or important messages. This customization allows you to tailor the inbox system exactly to your needs and preferences. Once you've finished customizing and are satisfied with your setup, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll need to click on Save Changes to apply all the adjustments you've made. This is a critical step, as forgetting to save will mean your efforts won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Priority Inbox in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to manage your emails much more efficiently. Priority Inbox will help you keep track of the most important or time-sensitive messages, reducing the stress of a cluttered inbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made navigating your email a bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.